Okay, we are on page 51. We're going to start talking about data displays, which are ways to display data. And if we are talking about displaying data, remember that is part of what statistics is. So we're usually looking at the answer to a statistical question. So we've talked about a bunch of ways. We've looked at bar graphs and in particular histograms, which we're going to get to later. We've looked at dot plots, stem and leaf plots. That was what we did with the bobsled team. And we're also going to do box and whisker plots. And line graphs. We're going to start today with, that's kind of fuzzy. We're going to start today with stem and leaf plots. So it's called a stem and leaf because it kind of builds on itself where you can have many leaves off of one stem. So the stem is the stuff on the left. This is everything but the ones place. And then the leaves or the leaves are over here, and this is always the ones place. Or I guess it could be like lower than the ones place, but it's always only one place value. So like earlier today, I asked the question, how many books have you read this year? Which is a statistical question. And I got answers like 38, 25, 9, 16, 29, 51, 40, 33, 30. We'll just go with that for right now. So a stem leaf plot, I am organizing the data by place value. So I'm going to put my stems are going to be, in this case, my tens place. So 9 would have 0 in the tens place. Then I'd have 1 in the tens place, 2 in the tens place, 3 in the tens place, 4, 5, and then I think that's my highest stem. Now, next to the stem, I put all the leaves that go in that area. So 9 would be a leaf right here. For 16, there's only 1 that would be in the tens place. That would be with 10 as the stem. Let's see, now there's 2 values that both go in the 2. We put those in order from least to greatest. And if we had multiple people who said 25, we would put as many 5s as people that said 25. So I'm going to do 5, 9. Do you see how I just wrote the stem takes care of the 2? So I'm just writing the leaf, which is the ones place. I have a 30 and a 33, so I write 0 and 3. And then I have a 40 and a 51. That's all there is to a stem and leaf plot. These were much more commonly used before computers because this would be a really easy way to see data, because when you turn it on its side, it looks like a bar graph and you can see how many values were in each column. So yeah, that's a stem and leaf plot. Oh, I'm not going to draw this. I'm just going to say it. If you draw a great big triangle on your paper, I'll give you extra credit, but you'll only hear that if you actually listen to what I said.